welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to create a web page in Word. So really quick before the video starts, over 90% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you're part of that 90%, please consider subscribing. It's completely free. And when you do subscribe, make sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button. Anyway, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Word. And you can go ahead and create a blank document. So here you're just going to type whatever you want to be on your web page. So I'm just going to type a title, and then you can like change the size of your text. So you can change the color, or you can also change the font. And then something useful you can do is you can actually add links. So if I change the font back and I say here is a link, I can highlight the part that I want to be like clickable. So if I highlight it and I right click and then click link, and here you have the option to choose where it links to. So you can either link to like a particular file, or you can link to like a web page, email address, and a lot of different options here. So I'm just going to choose this image I have right here, and I'm going to click OK. And then you can also add images directly into the web page. So if I go, and I'm just going to drag this into the Word document. So it's just like creating a normal Word document. You can use everything that you usually would, and then when you're done, you go to File, and then Save As, and then choose where you want it to save to. And you're going to click on Save As Type, and you're going to choose Web Page, and then you're going to click Save. And once you click Save, you should see these things appear where you saved it to. So this is the files needed for the web page to work, and then this is the web page itself. So I'm opening it with Google Chrome. You can change the way you open it by right-clicking and then clicking on Open With, and then choosing an application, or clicking on Choose Another App and then having more options. So anyway, if you click on it, then you get the web page, and you can see it's an HTML format. And so you have the web page title, the text, and you can see the fonts all work. And if you click the link, I get this image, which is the same image that I have underneath the text. So yeah, that's just a quick example how you can easily create a web page in Word without needing to use any coding or anything like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.